Update guys, in our bedroom, it's almost done. We still need to put the floors and then a little bit paint and the ceiling and then on the wall and then the list in the side of the window, so and then a door. So it's almost done guys. The same here too in the bedrooms here. Same here, we still need to paint that wall there and then we're gonna change the windows, and then here we're gonna put walk-in closet, so it's very exciting that we will have a lot of storage area, because in our previous apartment we're lacking of storage for our clothes. So this will be a big cabinet there and a big cabinet in this side. So it's very spanana, or what's that? Exciting. So here in this part, this is how it looks like. It's almost done. Floor, painting, paint, wall here, and then in the ceiling. So it's almost done guys. Guys, we're here again at the apartment, and this is how it looks like now after the isolation. What is that? Isolation plate. So this is how it looks like now. This is the cable, warm cable plate or something like that. I'm not so sure how this one works, but there is electric lines here on this side. So this will be connected to the power, to the electricity, and the same as here. Oh, there's no more lights here. I hope you can see guys. There. And that's the walk-in closet. It looks like, when you just look at it, it looks like what's that? Solar panel. It really looks like that. So after this, we're gonna put a plastic and then the floor. So hubby is really excited to go home today because he wants to put the floor now. So excited about that. And this part here is the master's bedroom. So it's almost the same. And there is you can see that blue wire in the side. That's where the electricity connected. So it looks like that. Check on it guys, and it's really amazing how this foil can create warmth. If it's just very thin guys, it's very thin, like a plastic, like a cellophane that you put in the cover of the book. So it's just like that. Hello, come in. It's like that, you're gonna call. So hubby don't have a key because it's with the electrician, so he don't have a key. So he can just call outside in the door, and it will ring here, and then I can just open. I'm not so sure if it's like that too in the Philippines, if there's like that. So it's just really like this, guys. It's as thin as this. So it's really amazing how this foil can warm certain things. Like, it's really amazing how how they created this stuff. Amazing, huh? That's our floor looks like. There. It's a wooden plate, or it's like pressure, what is it? High pressured laminate. So that will tolerate water. What else? Heat. And there is, what is it there, my love? Aluminum.
Yeah.
There's aluminum to lock the plate, or to lock the floor to each other. Why you put a plastic?
Because you're supposed to have that here.
Why? What's the
I'm not
explanation?
I'm not sure, just it should be that on the heat cables. I think it's with moist and water.
So it will not get inside the plate.
No, other way. If you drop something on the floor, it should not be
Yeah, in the
down to
plate.
electricity.
Yeah. Oh. The principle of putting the plastic is when you drop something on the floor, it will not go inside it will not drop inside the plate. Should I hold?
It's okay.
Far away, chocolate taking over. Did it click?
Yeah.
I didn't hear.
What did you do? Oh, you come. Open it.
Bedroom is done. There. Still need to put at least the sides. It's done now. Okay. It's done now. 2 hours to put. Is it 2 hours? 3? 3 hours. Huh?
Yeah, for 2 rooms.
So we need to put paper like that. Come here, Mama. Okay. Like that. To protect the floor because we're not yet done painting, and